Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Embedded System Design. In this video, we will see how to become an embedded developer and embedded software developer. So, if you are in second year or third year and you want to build your career in embedded domain, uh, this video is for you. So, embedded systems are everywhere around us in a daily life. We use them in every day, but we don't notice them. So every day you use the smart devices, but have you ever wondered what actually makes them smart? From the washing machine to your car, from your smartwatch to your oven, microwave, mobile phones, everything is powered by something that's called as an embedded system. And the best part is you can learn how to build and how to control those systems yourself. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete roadmap to go from beginner to advanced embedded system step by step. So let's start. Firstly, let's understand what is embedded system. Embedded is a small computer inside the large device. It is designed to do specific tasks efficiently. For example, you take the microwave. Only heat the food that particular task made for, not other than of that working. Like washing machine, you have to wash the clothes. Digital watch, you have to uh, see the digital time. You have to like it's digital watch have the many things. Unlike your laptops, which can do many tasks, embedded system is focused only one job. So embedded is nothing but a combination of a hardware and a software working together is nothing but an embedded system. For understanding embedded, you have to firstly you have to basic knowledge of basic electronics and uh, power electronics. Basic electronics, you know, voltage, currents, resistor, capacitors, basic concept of electronics like flip-flops. What is a flip-flop? What is the uh, logic gates? How it works? So its basic knowledge is sufficient, more than sufficient. If you don't need deep theory at the beginning, basic understanding is enough. Then second is the programming languages. So most of the embedded we use the C programming languages. So programming language, why is need of a programming? So programming is how to control your hardware is decided by the programming language. So most of important language is here is C, because C is fast, efficient, and close to the hardware. Okay, so in the C programming, you have to loops, functions, pointers, array structures. These are the most important concepts you have to understand. And second is embedded C. So embedded C is similar of a C, but in embedded C we focus on a bit level. Like if you declare it 8 byte, 8 bit, then you have to declare 8 bit data type. Then you need 8 hyphen T. So in embedded C we go to the bit level. That's only difference. Like a bit shift, toggle, clear, set. So in that use the bitwise operator mostly, and most of bit level functionalities in an embedded C. And C is a lightweight and it's a tiny chip to limited memory, the perfect work for embedded. And if you understand the UI is used, C is here because other programming language take, for example, if I want to read 1 millionth count in a C, we read in a few seconds. Same other languages like Python or Java or uh, JavaScript. In that we have it takes a minute. So in that program, we understand C is very important and C is very close to the hardware and C is very fast. And third is microcontrollers. Uh, in institute or in a bachelor's, all the colleges are taught microcontrollers 8085, 8051, basic Arduino, this. But it's okay if you have to understand the basic microcontrollers. And in now the industry is changing day by day, so I will suggest to go with the STM32 because it's industrial standard microcontroller most of users, which is a nuclear boards is a very cost effective. You have to go with the nuclear boards for practicing and building the projects. Also ESP32 for the IoT and uh, um, IoT applications you have to use. So microcontroller is nothing but text input, process and give the output. It's like microcontroller is the brain of the system, whole embedded system. For example, like you have to temperature sensor, send the data to the microcontroller, process it and turn fan turn on. So microcontroller only process that data. Then next is data structure and operating system. So if you get a question why data structure in embedded system, as we say that in the microcontroller we have a limited space of a memory, like typically we get in a MB or KB. So in that memory space you have to fit your code. So for this one you have to knowledge about the array stack queues, and the basic knowledge of a data structure is very helpful. It helps to writing efficient code using the memory properly and improve the performance. For that only you have to understand the data structure. Not much deeper like depth like tree, hash, maps, etc. You have to understand the basic array, what is stack, what is queue, and what is the linked list. That's enough for. Second is the operating system. Operating system for manages the memory, task, the program. In a simple embedded system, it may not require that much, but build if you build the complex system like a TV, smart TV, medical devices, for that you have to require the operating system. Next is RTOS. So RTOS is stand for real time operating system, and it used where the time is very critical and time is deterministic. For example, airbags, aircraft system, car braking system. In this, time is very important. The system deals with the time, that is real-time operating system. Then move forward to Linux and IoT. Uh, so Linux is used an advanced embedded system. For example, include the routers, smart TVs, industrial machines. So you have to go with the Linux platform, Linux operating system, basic commands. Uh, what is the ls, what is pwd, that basic command you have to hands on. So learning Linux helps you to move to advanced level, and it's very powerful and flexible, open source. Next, IoT means internet of things. As you know, the devices are connected to the internet. For example, the smart light, smart homes, remote monitoring. So these are the example of IoT. It's combined the embedded system with the internet to the mobile from the mobile applications. So main focus we develop the embedded system. So this I want to connect with the internet. Then we use the Internet of Things. So next is I think all you have to get a knowledge, but it's not required. It's not useful if you have not built any project. Only theoretical knowledge in industry does not survive you. So I think I will suggest go with the simple, small projects that build your confidence, and then you will move forward that like most advanced projects. Okay, and like start with a small LED control temperature sensor, uh, taking temperature sensor data, motor control, etc. Then you have to move forward to advanced projects give you real understanding and the confidence. So that's why project is most important part of a learning. Beginners are did here some mistakes is they are only taking programming language, microcontroller language, understand the microcontroller, all the theoreticals he or she will learn, but they don't build project. So if you don't build a project, you don't get the hands-on experience. So go with the project. Second, where you can work. So which domain you are working. So embedded systems are mostly every industry like automotive, medical, networking, industrial automation, AI. This is the scope of embedded system you have to work. Next is a learning roadmap and career path. So all I will include in this roadmap. First, you have to start basic. What is embedded in embedded system? If you're, I will suggest you I will give a suggestion if you are passionate, if your problem solving skills you have, then and then only you have to choose this career, because in embedded you're doing coding, it's okay, but a real part is the debugging and you know problem solving skills. It does matter. So first of all, you have to learn C, then microcontrollers, STM32, ESP32. Then you have to learn the operating system, Linux, Internet of Things, and lastly RTOS. And all after this all learnings you have to make a small or big project. Don't skip the steps. Okay, so if you can become an engineer, uh, embedded engineer, firmware engineer, IoT engineer, embedded software engineer, and it's highly demand and good career growth. So that's it, and you have to join also GitHubs, um, on the LinkedIn. Most stay curious. The final message is start small, practice daily, focus the project, consistency is key. If you don't need to know everything to start, just start today. Your future self will thank you. So if you found this video helpful, make sure subscribe my channel for more contents. Thank you so much.